Hi, my name's Mike Scagliuso. I'm the technical sales engineer intern at Precipart. A project I'm working on here is we're forming an Excel spreadsheet to basically take products that come into the company from our clients and try to figure out how much they would cost based on empirical data from past parts. What's really great about this project is it allows us to collaborate with a lot of the people in the company and basically ask them about their past experience in quoting parts. We've definitely learned a lot from some of the people who know they've been in the industry for so many years and they know so much about manufacturing and how much things would cost and the different components that go into pricing a product. This project would definitely help the company because using this, basically we can use empirical data to give back to them a quote, and it's basically a general estimate of how much it might cost.
Doesn't have a formal agenda.
One thing I like most about the internship at Precipart is the people. Everyone's really nice and they really care about you learning things about the industry. So it's definitely preparing me for a future career because I'm learning a lot about an industry that I didn't know that much about before. And since we do manufacturing for so many different industries, whether it be aerospace or medical or industrial, you get to learn about all those different industries. Another thing that's been great about this project is I get to collaborate with the other sales intern here, and we basically work on the whole thing together.
Hi, my name is Dan Orion, and I'm a technical sales intern at Precipart. Currently, the project I'm working on is an Excel quoting system in order to figure out what products cost when they come into the company and mathematically determine what those products would be in the future. I really enjoy working with our supervisors and getting to learn directly from them what problems and challenges they faced throughout their career and why they got to this career and why they picked this place. And another thing I get to learn is how to work in a group setting and teamwork and work on countless projects with my other sales intern. One thing I really enjoy about the Precipart internship is the community and the amount of knowledge that everyone likes to share with each other. And every day I get to go home learning something new.